If you want to build and upload your own unique fights in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, the custom battle editor gives you complete creative control. From the main menu, use your controller, joystick, or keyboard arrow keys to navigate to Episodes and Custom. Select Ultimate Battle and choose Custom Battle. Pick Create New Battle, then select Normal Edit Type for full customization. First, go to Character Settings to pick your fighters and CPU opponents, then press Space on PC or Cross on PlayStation to save. Next, click Battle Environment to pick your stage, weather, and time of day, then press Escape or your back button to return to the editor menu. After that, open Effect Settings to create mid-fight conditions like stat boosts or health triggers. Press Space to confirm your triggers and Escape to head back. Then, enter the Scene Editor to design custom opening, winning, or losing cutscenes with tailored animations and text. Finish up by choosing a title and thumbnail for your scenario. To test your fight, hold down R on PC, Square on PlayStation, or X on Xbox. Once you beat your own scenario, return to the main menu and press 2 on keyboard or the menu button on controller to save. Press that same button again to pull up the submenu, then select Post to publish your battle online. Consider subscribing if this guide helped, and I will catch you in the next one.